Welcome! If your Google Chrome browser has been feeling slow, glitchy, or just not working the way it should, clearing cached images and files can make a big difference. Over time, Chrome stores temporary data to help websites load faster, but this can actually start causing problems instead of helping. In this video, I'll show exactly how to clear cached images and files on Google Chrome using the latest method. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where all your browser options are located. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your browser, including privacy and performance. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section gives you access to tools that help protect your data and improve your browsing experience. Next, tap on Clear Browsing Data. You'll now see a screen with different options for what you can remove from your browser. Here's the important part. Make sure the option labeled Cached Images and Files is checked. This ensures you're removing stored website data that may be slowing things down. You can leave other options checked or unchecked depending on your preference. Once you've selected it, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation may appear, so go ahead and confirm your choice.